MakeHuman is an open source application to generate characters. Because this is a standalone program, the user interface works faster than if it was an add-on in Blender. You might think why we want to use a program that generates a character. Why not modeling it yourself? What I think is that there are situations that you don't have time to build everything from scratch. Modeling your own character is better, but it will take ages to finish your project. For example, what if your customer is a school and asking you to make an animation with some characters within a week? Or you want to make a concept very quick. There can be several reasons you want to use software like MakeHuman or MBLab. Another idea is to use these characters as base mesh. And if you don't like it or is not suitable for your project, then you can of course model your character from scratch. I heard people saying never to use software like this because you won't learn anything from it. But what if you are not into character modeling and you need to have some characters for your project? Because you can use Blender to model, sculpt, render, animate, do video editing, physics. There are so many areas you can specialize in. It's probably impossible to be specialized in all areas. So I think that software like MakeHuman can be an option depending on the situation. Here I use MakeHuman in combination with the EV Express add-on. EV Express is most productive when using the EV renderer in Blender. It saves a lot of time setting up your scene, because in Eevee there are loads of settings like screen space, reflections, indirect lighting, shadows for lights, contact shadows and other render settings. Eevee Express provides also 2 light rigs. Each light is accessible in one add-on, together with camera settings, render settings, smoke and color management. And the EV Express provides also compositing nodes, a global shader and keying sets for animation. So MakeHuman and EV Express seems to be a good combination in case you need fast production. Now time for some live talk. At the moment I'm doing some compositing. The EV Express provides some compositing nodes. The best is to use the ASC CDL instead of the lift gamma N gain. I'm trying to get a little bit more contrast because Filmic is compressing a little bit the highlights. And try to bring in a little bit more saturation. Remember in in MakeHuman to select also a skeleton, because otherwise you cannot rig it here like that. For the hands that takes quite some time. You can also add eye key, but that didn't work for me, so I do it manually here. Also important, so you need a skin armature, and need to set the connection in the MakeHuman software. So all you have to do in Blender is then press the button import, and then it will make connection to the server, and it will import your model. So I'm nearly finished with this animation. I check it if it's alright, and then I'm going to animate the camera a little bit. Makes it always a little bit more interesting. I can also add some shake to the camera.